Hi everyone, welcome to HTR Hashtag Reviews. This is CMF Watch Pro. CMF stands for Color, Material and Finish. CMF is a very new brand from Nothing. The best thing about Nothing and its subsidiaries is their simplicity to their hardware and software design. This Watch Pro has a 1.96 inches AMOLED display which is flat and slightly curved at the edges, which is about 48.26 mm and looks like the big brother of Apple Watch. It has big bezels around the corner which will disappear if you choose a black background watch face like this similar one. Watch Pro is available in 3 different color variants and 3 different straps. Metallic gray metal material with PVD finish, due to which you get this shiny finish and comes with orange strap. Dark gray with metal material with anodized finish which looks a matte finish and comes with dark gray strap, and dark gray with metal material with anodized finish which looks a matte finish and comes with ash gray strap. On the right side it has got one single button that works like a back button and also go to home. A loud and clear speaker to take hands-free calls. Straps feel rubber but looks premium and it captures dust easily. But it doesn't feel any itching when wearing it for a long time. It has a simple black and white smooth design and supports more than 100 sports modes and continuous tracking of heart rate, sleep, stress and SpO2. CMF Watch Pro comes with IP68 rated, which means it supports both dust and water resistant up to 30 minutes underwater about 1.5 meter deep. It has got a strong, I would say very strong haptic feedback while browsing around the watch. You can wake up the watch just by twisting your arm. Of course, you can disable this in settings. And also it goes to sleep mode just by covering the watch, and just to mention, it doesn't have always on display. If you swipe up to get the latest notification, this is the advantage of having a big screen so that you can have more space for the content. I can access the short view of my notification, and also if you swipe down to get access to quick settings just like normal phone behavior, to get flashlight on or off or switch on, night mode, turn on battery saver mode, and also enable and disable wake on wrist raise. Screen brightness can be adjusted in 5 levels which gives you a better view in hot daylight outside. And if you go to more settings, you can set the dial settings. It has fixed 4 watch faces and 1 custom watch face. Custom watch needs to be installed from the mobile watch app, and this app view can be seen both in a list view which is default or a perfect grid view which I haven't seen in any of the smartwatches, which is unique in this Watch Pro. If we look at the watch app, and this dial gallery has a bunch of watch faces which are very unique. And please let me know in the comment section what do you think of these watch faces. The dashboard is simple yet informative. You can start your outdoor activity just by clicking start and it starts. You can pause the activity, and finally when you are done you can long press the stop button to stop and go back to the app. All the activities are nicely grouped and it has more than 100 sport activities, and the entire list is customizable. If you are a yoga person, just drag it to the first and now you can see the yoga on first of the watch list and you can start quickly. And it has got good health monitors which is exactly for what a smart watch is made for. It has got water reminders, stand-up reminders and quite a lot stuff. You can customize your daily goals as per your choice by going to the profile of the watch app. But there should be a reason why we should avoid this watch. Still, there are many things needs to be fixed by Nothing. I mean CMF by Nothing. but still facing some connectivity issues here and there. And also, if you change the mobile and if you install the watch app in another mobile, then your contact list will be gone. Then you have to add the contacts again. And CMF Watch app allows up to 20 recent favorite contacts you can add. And also it needs to be redesigned, this dial pad. It is very clumsy, and the numbers are not clearly visible, and it is hard to dial. And one more thing which I am looking forward is double tap wake up. And finally, the price. CMF Watch Pro with orange strap you get for 4499, and with this light and dark gray straps you would get for 3999. Just for this orange strap you have to shell out another 500 rupees extra, but I feel at this point of time you get a very good other bands in below 3000 rupees with the same level of features, uh, but this is a little bit pricey, that's what I feel. And at the same time we should also think why we should buy this. This has got 340 mAh battery, and CMF claims 13 days of battery life, but with my personal use almost 12 to 14 hours a day, I could get up to 10 days of battery, which is very huge, and battery life is very good. Second point, and it has got 1.96 inches AMOLED display, which is a very good amount of space you will get for your notifications and other stuff. And third, this is IP68 rated, which means that it supports both dust and water resistant. And if you want to check out any other options, I have one review noise watch. I'll paste the link in the below, you can check it out, and the features are almost same, you can look into that. And also please let me know in the comment section below whether you would go for this CMF Watch Pro at this price range. That's all for now in this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.